Hi everybody, this is Friday, my day off, yay. And we're gonna open up a big box. How do you like these weird glasses I got at the dollar store? They're very shiny, aren't they? Anyway, don't wanna make you motion sick, but here is a big box from Soft Squares, and it's everything in there is gonna go in a new project that I am starting today with my daughter, who's here and telling me what to sew and when to sew it and how to sew it. But she's very helpful. And she doesn't want to come on the camera, so we can't get her response, right? But she says, I came with a list, Mom. Ooh, okay. So this is all from Soft Squares, and I'm very excited because it's going to be flag bunting, flag quilts, and a beautiful quilted bow to put on the front door. And here's my gorgeous stuff from Soft Squares. Here's my folder. Man, Lynn, you do a good job. Wow. Wowie, wowie. And here's my pink card that goes with my collection right over there. And we have Singing in the Rain quilt kit. And we have Morningside. Oh, that's cute. Summer on the Farm. Yeah, that's cute too. I like Morningside so far. 12 Days of Christmas. I do like that. Jingle Bell Pines. I like that. Karma Court. I still like that. But the one I'm going to probably buy when I'm ready to buy one is going to be that wreath one from last year. I still love that, and I hope you still have it, Lynn. It's not on this list, though. Well, we'll have to wait and see. Then it says there's a Soft Squares Summer Quilt Retreat, August 4 to 8. Well, hey, everybody, I'm going to go to that December one, so why don't you come and join me? We could have a blast. I think it's the first 5 or 6 days, 4 or 5 days of December. Please join me online, become part of my community. Yipperdoodle, we do that. Here's the flyer on all the different exciting stuff. Here is my free pattern. Thank you, Lynn. Apple a Day placemats. That's cute. You see, it says free gift. Now, here is my Dino Whoppin' order. Well, we'll just go down the list. This one is, oh, these are beautiful. Oh my goodness. These are all $6 fabrics because I wanted to buy blues and reds and whites and, you know, low volumes, and Aunt Grace's collection calicos. Look at that one. Isn't that beautiful? See, it's not too intense, you know, solid red. Now this one is called Butterfly Blossom. Beautiful muted blue, perfect for that. Genevieve, I think might be this one. Genevieve, Flowers and Leaves, blue quilting. A lovely washed out blue. Wouldn't that be just nice? And the next one is Genevieve Little Jacobean. And this one was Genevieve Feathers. So they go together. And again, they are $6 a yard. And they're supreme soft A+ fabrics. Now let's go to the next page. Don't you love this? They give you, oh, sorry, you don't want my address on there. Fiddlesticks. But they do give you the best itemized report I've ever got. Next is Golden Era Floral Plaid by Paula Barnes of Red Crinoline. Now see, that's another good red because it's not solid. And we want it to look faded and old-fashioned-y, you know. Now this one looks like it's going to be too orangey, but we'll see what my daughter says. This one's called Golden Era Picket Flowers. See, it's a little orange, too orange for me. Look at this, see? All right, next is in another bundle, so let's rip open this next one. I know, I went crazy, huh? It was one of those nights at about 10 o'clock at night, and I was thinking, I need more fabric right now. So, this next one is Neighborhood Florist. Isn't that a beauty? Foulard Blooms by Marcus Fabrics. Yeah, that is, again, one of those beautiful reproduction ones. I might have to make another reproduction quilt, you know. Red, White, and Beautiful Blossoms by Tracy Souza of Plum Cute Designs of Marcus Fabrics. Next one is Red, White, and Beautiful Vines. Very pale pink, almost a rose, dusty rose like we used to have in the 80s, right? Quilting Cotton by Tracy Souza of Plum Cute Designs for Marcus Fabrics. And that beige has almost a shimmer to it. My, that's pretty. Then we have Red, White, and Beautiful Buds. Again, Tracy Souza of Plum Cute. Look at that blue. And I think that would go really nicely with these other blues. Look at these. Now, if we're going to make 3 quilts, count them, 3, these would be fabulous for their blue square, when then the stripes could be any of these red ones, right? Oh, here's one. This one's a lovely one. Let me get to this next one. I think we covered everything on this page. Let's go to the next page. Seaside Sailor Sky Beige by Paula Barnes of Red Crinoline for Marcus Fabrics. That's a nice red and I think navy blue, but it sort of shows as black on the camera. Then we have Seaside Ticking, Navy Quilting Ticking. I like that. Looks like a rope in there. And that's from Paula Barnes. Now let's see what this other one is. This one is called Simply Stripes. And somehow I got a yard and a half of this one. And this one is a very lovely blue. Really like that one. Simply Country Stripes Dream Quilting Cotton by Tasha Noel for Riley Blake. It feels satiny. Very lovely. Can you believe it? $6 a yard. I mean, that is superb. Now there's more here. What on earth? Woo! And here is the blue thread I ordered. That was only $5.85 on sale from $7.50, and it is Signature 50 weight. Now, isn't Signature the same as confetti cotton? I'm not sure. I don't remember. Now, these other ones have a different paper for them. They must have. Let me keep looking here. Here it is. Blossom Lane Windows, 2 yards. Oh, look at that. That's going to be beautiful. No matter what we use it for, if we don't use it on those quilts, this is going to be fabulous for a background on any of those other quilts that I make. This is gorgeous. A buttery beige. Not a gray beige, but a buttery one with a little bit of an embossed design. It looks like speckly circles. I thought might have been a medallion. Almost looks like a medallion. And that is Blossom Lane, no, Essentials, Circles and Stripes, Caramel Macchiato. I think that's why I bought it, Caramel Macchiato. Quilting Cotton by Wilmington Prince. It must have been the name of the coffee, right? And then this one, the last one of my haul and a half, was Blossom Lane Windows Cream Quilting Cotton by Catherine Lenius. Excuse me, Catherine. Catherine Lenius for Riley Blake. And that's a little itty-bitty taupe dot. It's not pink. It's definitely more of a taupe. And there's 2 yards of that. Oh, I misread that. There's 7 yards of this one. Good grief. That was a fabulous price. Okay, everybody, did I go nuts or what? Okay, put your comments in, which ones you like. We're going to do those. I purchased the Layla Boutique pattern, and here it is. This is what I wanted to do, but my daughter says, Mom, those flags are awfully small. I didn't watch that part when I was ordering the thing. This is the one we're going to do, the Pat Sloan one. You know Pat Sloan, she's got a YouTube channel too. And her flags are way bigger. The finished single flag is 10.5 by 15, you know? You only have to make so many to make a quilt, whereas with this Layla Boutique beauteous thing, look at that one. This has more style to it than this one. But these flags are only 6 3/4 by 10. We'd have to make twice as many, 3 times as many of these as to make that. So I think we're going to make Pat Sloan's. And Grand Old Flag, da, 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 da. We can all sing that one together while we're making flags this month. Okay. Well, everybody, thanks for tuning in to my fast-paced, rip the box open box opening. And I sure appreciate you. Thank you for joining me today. And if you're new, please give me another chance. I was a little animated today. And if you're my regular customers and subscribers, you know, you're not buying anything from me, but you're my subscribers, please make a comment. Tell me which ones of these fabrics you like. It looks like we're going to have plenty to do 3 quilts. And I think of all of them, this is one of my favorites. And these 2 are my favorites. And this one. Those were my 3. What are your picks? Put them in the comments. Thanks, everybody. Take care and stay tuned. I'll be having another couple of videos this weekend and maybe a short. I haven't thought of what it's going to be yet, but we'll come up with something. All right, take care. Bye-bye now.